case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1968, an intriguing case, McCorpen v. Central Gulf Steamship Corp., unfolded in the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit. This decidedly shifted the waters around maritime employment contracts to question if a seaman who conceals pre-existing health conditions from his employer still has the right to medical care and financial support afforded in the job's terms. The case revolved around David McCorpen, a merchant seaman. Before entering the fray with Central Gulf Steamship Corporation, McCorpen's diabetes passed unnoticed in a routine physical exam he undertook 8 months prior. With a deemed fit-for-duty status, McCorpen became part of the crew aboard the ship Green Lake. Regardless, the high seas proved challenging as the veil lifted on his concealed health issues. His inconvenient truth crept out, demanding medical intervention. Punctuated by necessary treatment on shore, McCorpen was diagnosed with diabetes mellitus and chronic anemia, spurring him to sue the Central Gulf Steamship Corporation for maintenance, financial support, and the provision of medical attention. The corporation's defense hinged on the accusation of McCorpen knowingly camouflaging this vital information during his pre-employment examination. Surprisingly, the court leaned towards the corporation. It reinforced that McCorpen's violation of disclosure regarding his serious health condition had denied the employer their right to crucial pre-employment knowledge. The court's verdict? McCorpen's maintenance claim foundered. Undeterred, McCorpen appealed the decision, steadfastly claiming his rights. A lower court was receptive to his plight, granting him financial and medical aid. But the tide turned at a higher court. The court held fast to the consensus, giving a measured nod to the lower court's decision, while affirming the need to see an obvious error and significant supporting evidence before overturning a ruling. As such, McCorpen had woven his own precarious net by withholding his health details, ultimately costing him his claim for maintenance. This precedent-setting case offered a fresh grasp on seafarer rights, stirring conversations on full medical disclosure during maritime job interviews.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.